So we got this situation. Find the sum of the series this. Okay, so look at this. If you will observe, you are getting the pattern, correct? So what I want you to do is just recognize the pattern, find TR, and then do little bit of simplification, and you are good to go with the answer. Okay, so what I wish to have, I want you to tell me the formula of rth term. Okay, so just observe. So in first term we have 1, in second term we have 2, in third term we have 3, in fourth term we will have 4. So in rth term we will have r, correct? Now if you'll observe, the numerator is 20c something, so 20c something, and denominator is also 20c something everywhere. Okay, this means we don't have problem with 20c. Now we have problem with the lower subscript. So in first term lower subscript is 1, second term lower subscript is 2, third term lower subscript is 3. So rth term lower subscript will be r. Okay, now look at the denominator part. So in first term it is 0, second term it is 1, third term it is 2. So whatever I am telling you, you are just answering a number less than that, correct? So can I write r minus 1? This is correct or wrong? Correct. Now for beautification, do little bit of simplification. Okay, so the point is we have r, then we have 20 cr. So wait a moment, I'll change the color. So let's handle the first thing. So 20 factorial, then r factorial, then 20 minus r factorial. Okay, so we have first entity as this. Now focus on second entity, 20c r minus 1. Okay, so look at this part. So we have 20 factorial, then r minus 1 factorial, and then 20 minus r plus 1 factorial, correct? Now do simplification. So you know that 20 factorial and 20 factorial will vanish. Now look at r and then r minus 1 factorial. Don't you think that both thing will get clubbed and will produce r factorial? So we can neutralize this with this. Now look at this. This is 21 minus r. This is 20 minus r. So this one is smaller. So it can neutralize the factorial part and we will be left with 21 minus r as the rth term. Okay. So we got our rth term. Now let's do the final summation. So we find out the rth term. Now we will do the calculation. You have handled similar situations in sequence and series. Okay, so look at this. I will write TR where R starts from term 1, term 2, term 3. So term 1, term 2, term 3, so term 20. So R will range to 20. Now, so can I write this thing as R equals to 1 to 20 and then 21 minus R. So first value of R is 1, so it is 20. Second value of R is 2, so it is 19. Third value of R is 3, so it is 18, and it will keep on going till you will put R as 20. So the moment R is 20, it is 1. Now you can clearly observe that it is sum of first 20 natural number. Okay, so you know that Sn for that case is n into n plus 1 by 2. So let's apply the formula of sum of n first natural number. So it is n 20 into n plus 1, 21 by 2. So it is 10. So it is 210. So the required sum is 210. I hope you got the approach and you can handle similar situations. Okay.